സ്ത്രീ പ്രതിരോധത്തിന്റെ പ്രതിരൂപമാണ് വനിതാ മതിലെന്ന് സിപിഎം പോളിറ്റ് ബ്യൂറോ അംഗം ബൃന്ദ കാരാട്ട്. വനിതാ മതിലിനോട് സഹകരിക്കാത്ത കോൺഗ്രസ് നിലപാട് അപമാനകരമാണ് എന്നും ബൃന്ദ കാരാട്ട് കുറ്റപ്പെടുത്തി. ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രതിനിധി സനൂപുമായി ബൃന്ദ കാരാട്ട് സംസാരിച്ചിരുന്നു.
നവോത്ഥാന മൂല്യ സംരക്ഷണത്തിനും സ്ത്രീ സമത്വത്തിനുമായി വനിതാ മതിൽ പണിയുമ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ അവസാന ഗണ്ണിയായി മതിൽ അണിചേരുന്നത് സിപിഎമ്മിന്റെ പോളിറ്റ് ബ്യൂറോ അംഗം ബൃന്ദ കാരാട്ടാണ്. മാഡം, ഹാപ്പി ന്യൂ ഇയർ.
Very happy New Year and to your viewers, and we are starting the new year on a very, very positive note because the women of Kerala are going to make history. They're going to make history in this country, they're making history in the world, and they are coming out on a very positive note in favor of women's equality, in favor of the democratic rights of women, and in favor of the constitutional rights of women. And I congratulate very warmly the women of Kerala. What they're doing here today is going to help women all over India.
Still, the opposition leader and the opposition party is against this woman war.
The opposition in Kerala, which comprises of the UDF, and the opposition in Kerala, which comprises of the RSS BJP, the RSS BJP, backed by their central leadership, has taken a stand to defy the Supreme Court. It has taken a stand against women's rights. It has taken a completely hypocritical stand about women's entry into the temple. And basically, they want to impose Manuvadi ideologies on the progressive traditions of Kerala. Therefore, this women's wall is to stand for progressive values against Manusmriti and Manuvadi ideologies, which is the core of the RSS.
Do you think that this woman wall will be a historical moment?
It is historic. It is a historic moment because it is not just for the moment. It is a symbol of women's resilience and women's resistance, and a symbol of women's resolve to speak out against all those against equality. And as far as the Congress is concerned, what the RSS says in the morning, the Congress will repeat. What the Muslim League says in the evening, the Congress will repeat. The Congress has turned its back on its own history, and it is a shame what the Congress in Kerala is doing. It is a shame.
On last question, during this Mutalaq bill, Muslim League MB Kunjalikudi has not participated, and that has become a controversy. What do you think about that?
Well, of course, it has to be a controversy. Why is he elected there? It was the left which stood there and demanded a division and voted against the bill. Why did these people walk out? When there's a battleground, when you have to show where you stand, why did the Congress walk out? Why did Kunjalikudi ji, why did he disappear? What does it mean? They are not committed to Muslim women's rights, because this bill is against the rights of Muslim women. If there had been one words in the bill for Muslim women, of course that's a different matter. Supreme Court has never said criminalize it. Supreme Court has never said give all the rights to the magistrate over how the woman is going to live if she's divorced.